Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price had a very nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its low points from earlier in the day, and then you look at where the price ultimately closed, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price definitely made a very nice bounce on the day. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. In my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $2.87. So why is $2.87 so important? Hopefully, we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 287. Any sort of closes below there or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Whereas let's say there is a bit of a pullback, but in this situation, the price comes down here and then behaves in that manner before working its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress. And one final time, in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying that phrase, make progress, as 287. What about levels of resistance? As it stands right now, the key level that kind of really stands out to me is going to be that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. I realize that line's way up there, but keyword moving. So as time goes by on Monday and Tuesday, that line will continue to move itself further and further downwards and become more and more relevant. So that's the overall level of resistance to keep an eye on. But all in all, any way you look at it, very nice bounce today. So now the question is certainly transitioned over to kind of the situation of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.